savings towards another cruise.
Look how young you were. Don't be passive progressive.
Look how cute you were.
Get good coverage and savings for yourself.
Before you could talk.
Did you know taking Zyzol at night relieves allergies while you sleep? So you wake refreshed for a more productive day. Get 24-hour
She had her toe removed. It's getting a lot better now, though. She's up on her daddy's lap, taking a little nap. It's the Aunt Nova. She's 10 years old. Sorry to wake you up, baby girls.